Okay, guys. Hey guys, it's Elsa, and today we're gonna be making some slime. And at the end of the video, we're gonna be having a quick slime collection. And I only have a little bit, so it will not be that long. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of me making some slime. So let's get started. Okay, guys. So what we're gonna be needing for my recipe, well, for the recipe I'm gonna be using, is you're gonna need something to mix in, something to mix with. This is optional, you don't need to add this, but I'm adding this for stretchiness and the smell. And then you're gonna need some glue. It could be clear or white, but I'm using white. Some activator, which is 2 cups of water, but it doesn't look like 2 cups because I've used some of it already. 2 cups of water and a teaspoon of borax. And also you don't need to use this activator, you can always use laundry detergent. And I have 2 different food colorings, so yeah, let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add in our glue, and it already says here great for slime making, so that's good, because I'm making some slime. If I can open this. Ooh, this doesn't want to open. There we go, sorry, it doesn't want to open. I don't really know how much I should use. I don't know. Okay, I'll just use like a medium. That should be good. Like a little bit more. Okay. So we're using that much glue, and you can always use however much you want to have. And now I'm gonna add in some of this soap. It's foaming soap. Add in a couple pumps, cause this is like you want to add in like almost close to the amount. And we're gonna add some pink food coloring. Add 2 drops of that, and 2 drops of blue. I don't even know what color this is gonna, I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we'll see. Ooh, that was 3 drops, but okay. Then you mix. This is gonna be an ugly color. Oh my gosh. Mix and mix and mix. I probably added way too much food color. And you mix until you get like one color, but mine's still like a swirl right now, so I'm like just keep on mixing it. And you mix it until you basically get the color that you like, basically. Mine's basically like blue. I didn't expect it to turn out just blue. Okay, and then you're gonna slowly add in your activator, because if you add in too much at a time, here's that I've noticed when me and my sister did this, it will like get to a bad texture, and then it will be like not stretchy at all. So if you add in too much at a time, it will not turn out the way you want it to. So just slowly add it until it's slime. So you can see right now it still needs some work because it's not ready yet. And a little at a time, so that way it turns out to be great slime. You can see it's already forming. See, it still needs a little more because it's still a little like runny. Don't drop your activator like I just did. I'm just moving it to this side because I just got some activator on this side, so I'm just moving it. And see how it's already starting to form. Look at this. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. A little bit more. That was not a little bit more, but you want to get it until it stops. It's like kind of like sticking to itself, which it's not doing very much, but it's like turning into slime. So I'm going to try to get like this, like the stuff on the ends right here to kind of do that. It's working. I'm touching it and it's like, it also just needs to be like played with too. So I'm going in with my hands right now. Oh, this is so messy. So much color on my hands right now. So much. This is a fun thing about making this stuff that like first out it turns out really bad. I think I need a little bit more activator because it's like really not slime yet. It's like sturdy. So we've got it to like the right consistency that it's not like sticking to me anymore, that it's like getting it off my hands and stuff. So we're gonna put that there because I need to like get this stuff in here because it's like, there we go. We just need to get that off there. Ooh. And also, if you let your like slime sit for a little bit too, it does get to the right textures. So it might, I find that helpful to me too. Like if I just let my slime sit for a little bit, when I just made it, it will get to the right texture that you want it to be. That like normal slime is supposed to be like. So now we got it mostly out, and I put it on my like container, because this is like what I always put my new slimes on to like, to like work with it and stuff. And if it's not like stretchy, you can add lotion. If it's still a little sticky, always add like a little bit of activator. And yeah, I think the reason why mine looks like this, obviously, is because I've added a lot of that, but not too much. But I actually like the texture of this slime. So yeah, this is my slime, and I hope you guys like my slime because I like it, and I like the color too. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be showing you. This is basically my slime collection right here. So we're going to start off with the ones that are not in here, which is this one that my sister made. And it looks like this. And it's not that stretchy, but it is like pretty good. See, it's not that stretchy, but it's still like a good, like if you're not a person who really likes to just stretch, you just like to like make it just go like this and just like squish it and stuff, then this would be like a good slime for you. But like if you like to like stretch, then this isn't a good slime for you. But yeah, it's a really pretty pink. Ooh. So yeah, that's the pink slime. So then we have this one that we just made, and I gave it a name because right when I made it, I was like, okay, this one's like the Blue Sea. So this is named the Blue Sea. I don't have names for all of them, but I just have a name for this one. The one I just made for you guys. So it's actually a really good slime. Okay, now we have this slime, which is blue. I really like this slime because I love its color. And this is the slime that I made with my sister when she was making this slime. I made this slime. And the reason why mine's more stretchy is because I added lotion to mine and she doesn't have lotion. But yeah, that is my blue slime. Squish that in there. Okay, so this one is a pretty small slime. It's a white slime, and I really like it because of this nice, like, snow white. It's, like, really pretty. It's got a bit of sparkles in there. If you can see, not that stretchy, but really soft. So if you like soft slime, this would be good. So, yeah. Then I have this slime, which is white again. I have a lot of white slimes. And these two go together. I just couldn't fit both, like, this whole entire one connected into these. So I took it out. And so it's a really, like, big, nice slime. And nice and white. Again, it's not that stretchy, but it's a pretty good, like, texture. And it's nice to squish. And you can do, like, swirls with it and stuff like that. And then I have to break it apart. Okay. So putting that back into its container, but I have to like even it out here so it doesn't overflow. Okay, this is my stickiest slime. This is like the slime that will stick to like I put it on here. It's not that sticky, but it's pretty sticky. But this is actually one of my softest slimes ever. It feels so good because it added like in so much lotion, and it's actually it's really stretchy, and you can hear it when you like do the poking sound. You can definitely hear the poking in this one. And this one, I made the color with purple paint. And at first, it was like a brown, ugly color, but I fixed it, and I love this slime so much. It's one of my fun and really soft slimes. This is really fun to touch because it's so soft. It's just like, it's so soft. I just love playing with this one. I play with this one almost every day. And yeah. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Leave a like and a comment saying, Elsa, you should do more slime videos, because I definitely will for you guys. And in the future, I'll have more slimes to show you guys, but this is just the ones I have now. And the question of the day is going to be, have you ever made slime? So if you did, then please say so in the comments. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and leave a like if you want me to do another one. Bye guys.